Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing the James Charles Morphe palette video. Now I did show up at Ulta when they opened, and there was people outside. Oh, hey! So we're going to be using this palette today. I don't want to get rid of this. I want to tape it to the top, I think. Okay. So on one eye, I'm gonna use... everything's falling. One eye I'm gonna use the Morphe Shadow Primer, and then one eye I'm gonna use MAC Fix Plus. And we're gonna test to see which is the ultimate primer. Because he did say that this works better with an eyeshadow primer. I think I'm gonna go straight in with You're Kidding. Now he did say these are pressed pigments, so not to blend and swipe them everywhere. But these are blending, this is blending out pretty well so far. That was pretty, wow. Good and fun and fresh. So now I'm going to go in with 518, the little orange shade. I'm just going to start blending that up to my brow bone and just to diffuse the red a little bit more. Literally lost the brush I was just using. But I'm going to go in with Escape, this purpley shade, and start deepening the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit of Love That, the like fuchsia-y shade. So far this is looking really good. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm just going to take this brush, the Morphe M521, and take the original red shade You're Kidding, and just go in and see if I can add a little bit more red. This shade does have a decent amount of kickback if you care about that, but actually they all kind of do. But they're pressed pigments, like that's what's gonna happen. So now I'm gonna take Spooky. That shade has like no fallout or no kickback. So now I'm going to go in with a concealer. I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty concealer just to cut my crease, because I want to do a cut crease. Obviously, it's James Charles palette. Like, obviously I want to do a cut crease. Oh my god, why can I not draw a straight line right now? I'm going to take this brush and go in and try and diffuse this edge a little bit. Now I want to go in with the yellow shade. It didn't do what I wanted it to. I'm gonna go ahead and add a flashback, I think is the white color. I dipped back in that yellow, now all of a sudden it's like way brighter. Okay. Maybe it just needs to be built up a little bit. I'm gonna go do my face makeup and I'll be right back, okay? I actually am gonna mix. I'm actually mixed those two for my blush today. Because I think I remember in his video he said something about that as being a blush. And it's very pigmented. So I touched my cheek and I was like, and I was like, whoa, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with 518, I think, on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna go into Literally, or You're Kidding. So I'm gonna take B on the same brush to make it like more orangey. Then I'm gonna take Spooky with a little bit of Benny. Now I'm going to take the brush I used ring light on and put that in the inner corner. I'm actually going to take Face, which is the second middle shade. Because I want to see how it is as a highlighter, because he used it as a, he says that he made this a highlighter. Pretty. I mean, obviously it does emphasize texture a little bit because it is like an eyeshadow formula. But it is pretty. Pretty. I'm just going to go in with a yellow eyeliner. I'm going to use Punch by ColourPop. I'm going to go ahead and put mascara, lashes off camera. We'll come back and do a lip, and then I'll tell you guys all my final thoughts. Now that I have my lashes on, I'm just going to go in with my favorite lipstick literally of all time, Anastasia Honey. I can literally just put this lipstick on like without looking, like so fast because of the color. And it's like not the most awesome application, but it just is like quick nude lip. But as far as the palette goes, overall I do like this palette. I do think this palette is worth it. $39, 39 shades. This literally has, like, if you were to just buy one, everyone says this, but if you were to just buy one eyeshadow palette and you just wanted one, like for everyday looks, like this shade, that shade, how rude, and these ones, like all neutrals. Then you have your colors, then you have like your nude, your highlighty, literally a highlight shade. Like this palette just has like everything you would need, and it is really good quality, and it is pretty affordable. So if you guys are worrying about, like, wondering like, oh, should I get it, you definitely should. And if you want to save some money, code ADOPTLOVE is a influencer code, but it goes to a shelter. It goes to like a animal shelter. If you guys are wondering about getting this palette, you definitely should. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps my videos a lot, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.